Hello there! Welcome to Month 9 YT. And I got my two cousins here.
Hello guys! It's me again!
And of course he's back. I mean she.
I'm hungry.
And that's my other cousin.
I gave him fruit and he let me in this video.
That's totally not bribery at all. And I just unlocked the Carpathia.
Because it's just good.
I just unlocked the Carpathia
My brother
behind the
is
scenes.
eating fish.
What do you mean, brother? You mean cousin?
No, I just Oh, he's watching AI.
It's 90% AI and 90% not real. Let's play with the Carpathia today.
I'm eating right now. The hard rock bread.
Yes. Yes. That's why I should make another video with DJ. If you hear me, please.
Make a video with Draco.
No, I'm not gonna make a video about the school. They are 90% bad and 20% good.
90 bad, 20 good.
That doesn't make sense at all, but okay. Turn! Come on, Carpathia. This is literally larger than the Titanic somehow. Okay, my Carpathia is larger than their Carpathia.
I'm eating right now.
You're just eating candy. That's not eating.
Keep saying.
Shut up. Come on! Yay! It's so loud! My ears bleed. Oh my, almost I hit the iceberg from the start.
Okay, let me show up my classmate. My classmate's name is...
Don't say it.
Why?
That's public. That's private information. Yes, Tapati. Yeah, don't question why do I call my aunt Fatty.
Because she's fat.
Yeah, she is. Anyways, why are you the one talking? We need you the one talking. Talk! Okay, the other cousin doesn't want to talk and this cousin wants to talk indefinitely. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
That's a joke. I don't hate him. Totally and then figuratively. Anyways. Come on, stop!
I don't want to.
Stop!
I don't want to.
Okay, this other cousin kinda. I really need to make another video with DJ.
I want to be king of the pirates.
Stop talking about King of the Pirates, other cousin. Okay, that other cousin. Okay, that cousin that you know already has disappeared, so. Okay. Let's play with the Carpathia again. Hey. What's the Carpathia date? 1918. It's launch date, is it that? Oh, never mind. It was date, probably. Hey! That's You shouldn't took your teeth out. That's worrying. Okay, that's actually worrying. See? I better call Ambus. Never mind. This other cousin doesn't want to talk. Never mind. Well, this is the end of the episode, and I hope I will see you in episode 10. Yes, this is episode 9. No, this is episode 10. No, it's 9.
It's 10.
Why do I always forget to turn off the recording?